Hi, everybody. This is Nate Charles with a supplemental thought of the day. It's still September 12th, 2025, and there's quite a bit more that I have to say about the state of the world, the state of American politics, and particularly about the death of Charlie Kirk. So, at the end of the day, we are running a business here, and we have to get back to the business of getting justice for our clients. To that end, we've got an exciting announcement. At Charles International, we're releasing a new series of research guides over the next couple of weeks. These guides are all going to fall under the general topic of practical advice for working with and interviewing asylum seekers. They're designed for attorneys and immigration advocates, but I think they're also useful for anybody who's interested in immigration law. What we intend to do here is help you serve your clients more effectively and to preserve the integrity of the asylum process. We're going to walk you through building the right mindset when you sit down with an asylum seeker, remembering that asylum seekers are generally some of the most traumatized legal clients you're ever going to meet. That reality has to shape how you communicate, how you listen, and how you ask questions. We're going to cover effective communications and rapport building, giving you tools to earn trust and help your clients feel safe, opening up to you about the painful experiences that have brought them into your office. We're going to dive into questioning frameworks. We're going to talk about the kinds of questions to ask, how to ask them, and models to help you draw out the types of information your client needs to be ready for interviews and asylum court hearings. We're going to talk about special techniques too, like using maps with clients to jog their memory, anchor key events, and help you build a more compelling narrative for immigration court. We're going to talk about the nuances of working with interpreters, since most asylum seekers don't speak English natively. We're going to explore how to interpret body language, both to understand trauma responses and to spot when someone might be holding back or minimizing facts you're going to need to address in court. Finally, we're going to tackle credibility and ethics, including how to recognize deception, your professional obligations when you suspect deception, and how to pivot strategies to best serve your clients, whether that means reframing their claim for asylum or, in some cases, pursuing an entirely different path like voluntary departure. These guides are going to draw not only on our experience as an immigration firm, but also on my training, including my time at the Defense Intelligence Agency's Human Intelligence Interrogation course and my service as a Navy SEAL in a combat environment. The overlap is more striking than you might realize. Many asylum seekers are fleeing war and conflict, and the skills of careful, ethical interviewing end up translating nicely. We're excited to share this series with you, and we hope it proves both informative and practical, so please stay tuned.